life!
Baymax can handle that guy!
Oh no.
Wasabi!
Step on it, Patrick!
Oh, goodbye!
Hero, explanation now.
He stole my microbots. He started the fire. I don't know who he is. Baymax, Palm Heel Strike!
Hard left!
That mask, the black suit. We're under attack from a supervillain, people! I mean, how cool is that? I mean, it's scary, obviously, but how cool?
Why are we stopped?
The light's red!
There are no red lights in a car chase!
Why is he trying to kill us? Why are you trying to kill us?
It's classic villain! We've seen too much!
Let's not jump to conclusions. We don't know. He's trying to kill us.
Arr!
He's trying to kill us! Did you just put your blinker on?
You have to indicate your turn! It's the wall!
That's it.
If we Storm manages to make its way onto Thailand, it will be that bad!
We can control the storm, to some extent anyway, until our hull cools back down. Wherever the air gets hotter, that's where the storm will go.
We need to lead it farther out to sea! Oh my... Hold on! Stop the car! Baymax and I can take this guy!
Seatbelts save lives. Buckle up every time.
Did we lose him?
Baymax! Hold on! We're not gonna make it! We're gonna make it! We're not gonna make it! We're gonna make it! We're not gonna make it! We made it!
Yeah! I told you we'd make it.
Your injuries require my attention, and your body temperatures are low.
We should get out of here.
I know a place.